Meaning of legitimacy and basis of legitimacy concept. The term legitimacy is derived from the Latin word legitimus, which means lawful. However, in modern times, the term has a different meaning. Legitimacy is a kind of rule which is accepted by the people, is called legitimacy. Legitimacy is commonly defined in sociology as the belief that a rule, institution, or leader has the right to govern. Legitimacy refers to lawful and regular activity which could be justified on one or on the other reasonable ground. For example, the use of public money for some legitimate purpose. Legitimacy itself is a fundamental subjective and nominative concept. It exists only in the beliefs of an individual about the rightfulness of rule. It is closely linked to the authority, that is, in order to have authority, then they must be viewed as legitimate. According to J.C. Piano, legitimacy means the quality of being justified or willingly accepted by the subordinates that converts the exercise of political power into rightful authority. The notion of legitimacy covers much wider area than with which we are normally concerned. Three types of political legitimacy described by the German sociologist Max Weber are as under. Traditional legitimacy. One could derive legitimacy on the basis of traditional grounds. Several kings throughout the world ruled over the people on the basis of traditional authority. If the authority was derived on the traditional basis, as in case of king, then it was not generally questioned by the people. Several traditional legends supported the rule of the king as he was considered to be the representative of God. The basic understanding behind the rule of king was like this: the king has been ordered by God to look after the welfare of people. Rational legal legitimacy derives from a system of institutional procedure wherein government institutions establish and enforce law and order in the public interest. This type of authority has been found in the almost all the modern societies of the world. It is also known as legal rational authority, could be what is nowadays known as bureaucracy. Weber has clarified the notion of legal rational basis of legitimacy in detail. Charismatic legitimacy. Charismatic authority is based neither on traditional nor legal rational base. It is quite different from two previously discussed bases of legitimacy. Charisma refers to certain qualities in a person which provided him something like a spiritual grace or capacity to inspire others and feel enthusiasm among the people. There are certain qualities that are not found in every type personality system. They appear rarely among the people. Those who possess these qualities are generally able to gain support without much difficulty.